Sir, good afternoon, sir. My name is Shivam Rajput, and I am currently pursuing BTech in AIML, and I am in third year now. Sir, in the college SIIT Bhopal, and I am from Bhopal. Sir, my topic is data anonymization. Wait, sir. Yes, sir. AI-powered data anonymization model. So, our goal is to detect and modify sensitive information while keeping the text useful and readable. So, for this, we are using regex for structured data. Sir, the regex detects the emails and phone numbers and replaces it with other patterns which are not identifiable. And for the unstructured data, we are using NER. So we are using a species library for NER, named entity recognition. It is used to identify names, organizations, and locations. We replaces these things like, for example, we give a text, "My name is Shivam Rajput." So it replaces the name Shivam Rajput with the person word. Sir, our objective of the project is to develop a system that can identify and anonymize P to PII in text, and we are using name and entity recognition and with specific and regex for additional detections of emails and phone numbers. The technologies used are programming languages Python, libraries and tools are specific, as I already discussed. So the challenges we are facing now is, mm, sir, as the code for Indian number is 91, so we have to provide the code to the model to detect the phone number. If we didn't provide the first code, for example, plus 91 to the model, so it is unable to detect that it is a phone number. And our second challenge is, sir, the model is unable to detect uh, the data when we give it in small characters. So these are our some results of our data. Shivam, you can continue now.
So in this obtained output, you can see from the left image that John Doe works at Google in New York. Here the name is, as you can see, the name is properly mentioned in capitals, but on the right side, when we give it in small characters, the model is unable to properly anonymize the data. As you can see, his surname Doe is not anonymized. Also, when we give the his workplace like Google in small characters, this also is unable to be anonymized.
Okay, can you show me the code for this?
Yes, sir. So my screen is visible.
Yeah.
So, sir, this is our main data anonymizer.
Uh-huh.
In this we class data anonymize. We gave person, organization, his location, his email, his phone. And so for we also giving a Streamlit application for users to provide the data that is to be anonymized.
Okay, can you run the Streamlit app?
So it is already running in the background. I'll screen share that. So is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. So
So
for
for example,
yeah, run your own test case for.
So it is able to detect that a person's name is there and a location is there. But the issue arises when I give my name in subscript, also the location in subscript. So let me do that also. So
Okay, and write your whole sentence in capital. Then what happens?
yes, sir. So the person is getting detected, but the location is not.
Hmm. Okay. Still good, I would say. I wouldn't say it's complete, but still a great implementation and it's there end to end. Okay, so I would say kudos to you, but I'll like you to explore some things. Uh, share your screen, I'll give you some resources.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
I'm saying share your screen, I'll give you some resources. Like we need to add some things to this to make it novel.
Sir, my VS Code part or the Streamlit app?
None of that. That is complete. I'm satisfied with that. It is a good implementation. I'm saying we need to integrate some like more tech into this. Have you heard of BERT NER?
Yes, sir, I have heard that.
Have you tried to implement that?
No, sir.
Okay. So what you do is your see we need to make this foolproof. If we like if you want to make this novel, we have to make this foolproof in a way that it can process any kind of sentence, any kind of language. And that too,
Okay,
it
sir.
shouldn't use any kind of chat models. Then it will
Yes,
be
sir.
reiteratable because like users don't want to spend costs in this. Like it's quite easily doable using your ChatGPT APIs, but or Gemini API or any other kind of LLM API. But if you use this BERT NER models, and there are some more like NER based models on a Hugging Face, if you try to integrate your application with that, then and also not one NER application, a number of them, like 4 to 5 of them. So then I think you will be able to process multiple use cases of different categories and different sentences. It will not be
Okay, sir.
yeah, it will not be specific to the five keywords that you're targeting.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Just try BERT NER models. They have fine-tuned versions of that for different data sets available on Hugging Face. You can directly download and start using that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is fine, Prashant sir. We can move to the next.